let's work with type properties of our levels. I'll go to north elevation and I pick any of my levels. In the properties we have almost same properties. We can set line weight, color, line pattern, symbol at end1 or end2, and also elevation bus, base point, survey point. It's additional things. And else I can duplicate just like grids, just like every object in Revit. I can say new one, load new symbol. I can draw it by hands with any shape. For example, Verasha use another symbol with arrow, so it's possible, and create new one type. And sometimes you can try to copy your level, for example, or you can copy it, you can array it, or you can create multiple copies. And sometimes you'll receive a black label of your level, and the same way you have no any level here in your project browser. What this means? This means that you have an object level, but really you have no view worked on it. So to fix this, you need to go to View tab, View Plans, Floor Plan. Here your views without levels are presented. You can set it. You can take it all, select one, holding Shift, select last one, and say OK. Here it is. Now I receive my new levels, and now all levels has blue color.